So nice to get home after a hard day at the office. What do you think of our new cabinet? It's $129. What about one of these for the house? What about two for the house? At $129, you cannot go wrong. Look at this. We can put the DVD machine in here, you can put books in here, you can put all the kids' crap in here too. It's amazing. Hide it. It's powder coated steel, super good quality, really stylish, great for a TV cabinet, even a booze cabinet. What about the laundry, the garage? You name it. You can even use this at 2 in the morning as a bar leader. What are you looking at? These are great for home offices, apartments at $129. That is a bargain. Okay guys, let's do the kids' room. Okay, now we're in the kids' room. Got to be quiet, don't want to wake them up. Check this out, $129 for a kid's cabinet for their bedroom. How many kids have you got? 5, 6, 7? $129, get 7 of them. $129, $129. We're also doing red. Check it out. See the photo? Red. It's awesome. We love this so much. We've got one down here at the showroom. Please come and have a look. At $129, you can't go wrong.